If you are watching this video right now, I know you want to make more money online, especially during this current bad economy. Living costs keep rising up, but the paycheck, you're still waiting for that promotion that hasn't come yet. So how can you generate additional money online without having your own product, without being technical at all, without showing your face, without quitting your 9 to 5? And in this video, I want to show you a beginner-friendly model that can help you generate $200 commission, instant pay to your account again and again. And literally, this will just take you 1 hour a day. If you don't know who I am, my name is Daniel Cho. Let me give you a quick story. Back in 2021, the reason why I started my online business, doing what I will show you in this video, I was actually in a very bad financial situation. I deliver vehicle parts as my day job. But at the time, I was actually sued by American Express for over $35,000 credit card debt I couldn't pay. I had to put my family on food stamps in order to get by. During that time, I decided to go out there to learn how people actually make money online. And at the time, I encountered this guy, Russell Brunson, #1 marketer on the internet. He is also the marketer for Tony Robbins. You probably know who Tony Robbins is. So I remember I bought the first course from Russell Brunson just to learn exactly what this make money online thing is about. But fast forward to last year, I had a chance to meet Russell Brunson in person to receive my $1 million award directly from Russell Brunson. So to show you this, is just to show you I used to be in your shoes. They broke. So pay attention to this video. I want to show you exactly how I do it. And if you are starting from scratch, you want to sell something that's trending. You don't need to create your own product. You just need to know what to promote and also how to promote it on social media. So let me show you. I literally just picked this offer up from my friend, an 8-figure entrepreneur, Mac Mills. So this digital product is called Daily Income Method. Let me just show you how to make money from it. Very simple. Then I'll walk you through details exactly what this digital product is about, how it can help you, how it can help your customers. If you want to make $200 commission again and again, this is the product I recommend. I don't recommend nothing if I don't do it myself. So I literally picked this up yesterday. Then overnight, you can see here, $600 came in already. How crazy is that? Imagine if you can make an additional $600 a day without quitting your job, or just make additional $600 per week, or even make it more conservative. What if you can make additional $600 per month? Would that help you and your family? I think the answer is yes. Everybody can use some extra cash for gas, for dinner, or doing something fun with your kids, with your wife. So this is how you do it. Once you pick up this offer, when people buy through you, you make $200 commission. This is sent to your account instantly. So there's no waiting. With this system, you get paid $200 right away. So if I needed some quick cash, this is the one I will do. I will put a link down below so you can check it out. To make money from it is very simple. You just go to your affiliate link. If you are worried about technical setup, there's literally nothing you need to set up. You don't need to build a website. You don't need to create a funnel. Everything is pretty much here. So all I need to do, I just scroll down. You see, Mac already built out the landing page. Landing page is what people see, where they can purchase your product. So this one, I already got 153 clicks since yesterday. So all I need to do to make this $200, I just need to post this link on social media, which I will show you how I do it. So when people click on this link, they will see this page. They have to answer a couple questions to make sure they are good fit for this online side hustle. They go through the process. They will see a presentation video from Mac. Then if they buy, cha-ching, $200 goes to your account. Then in the meantime, they have access to this course, this program. So not only they can promote it, make $200 for themselves, but inside this digital product, there are also coaching, courses, tools that you can use to help you promote. So let me walk you through a couple things. And if you are selling digital products already, I want to show you something crazy, because me and also my business partner Nathan, we have our own courses, we have our own coaching program. So with Max system, not only we are making $200 on every single sale when people buy this, but we can also sell our own offers at the same time. This will be a fantastic setup if you are selling other people's offer or even your own offer right now. Check this out. If I go to profile, you see here, this is our POP, Passion Over Profits digital product. This one is our software. So when people buy this daily income method, $200 cha-ching goes into my bank account. But in the meantime, they can also see my other offers if they want to pick it up. So you literally can have one system, no technical setup you need to do, just simply plug in your other offers, then you make money both ways. How crazy is that? Now, we got that squared away. Now you know how to make money. Let me show you how I do it. I just simply go to my Facebook profile. This is my Facebook profile. I just make a post like this. Then I start getting people comment on this post. Hey, if you want to see how I made this $600 overnight by cloning a page, comment down below. Then when people comment on it, I just message them with the product information. They check it out. If they like it, they pick it up. Cha-ching, $200 goes into my bank account. That's it. Here's another one. Different copywriting, but selling the same offer to make $200 instant commission without showing your face. 57 people raise their hands. All I need to do, just send them the information they are asking for. That's it. Some people buy, but every time, if there is a person buy, cha-ching, $200 goes into your bank account. You don't need to overcomplicate things, especially if you are a beginner. Just go straight to the money. Skip product creation. Skip technical setup. Learn how to do marketing. Now, let me show you. Some people, if they don't want to do content creation, if you want to skip that, you can also go straight to pay traffic. So inside this daily income method, you also can buy traffic if you want. You spend money to get leads, get eyeballs on your page. When people buy, cha-ching, every time you receive $200 commissions. Now, coming down here, this is the actual products after you buy daily income method. Selling it is one thing, but you actually gonna learn from this program. So there are couple products that you're gonna learn from. Here, mainly is this daily income method system. When you go in here, it's a comprehensive course. Mac will teach you step by step exactly how to sell online offers. Learn from it, because once you learn from it, you can literally sell anything you like. You can see the plaques on my wall. They are all from different programs I promoted using the same skill. And this is what you're gonna learn. Mac also give you 100,000 faceless reels. If you don't want to show your face, you literally take it, simply download it and post it on social media. That's how you drive traffic without showing your face. So Mac already got everything done for you. You literally just take it, don't even need to worry about your content. Just post it, okay? Here, viral hook script generator. Here, Facebook profile growth guide. I usually get my customers on Facebook. If you want to master Facebook, here, Mac also give you this Facebook profile growth guide. Here, if you want to learn AI, which I believe everybody should learn AI. If you want to clone yourself, again, this is for people who want to do faceless marketing. Instead of me speaking like this in front of camera, I literally can create an AI clone and have that AI clone deliver the training to my audience. Mac also teaches you how to do that. Here is additional email swipe files if you want to do email marketing. So not only you are getting systems that can help you generate daily commissions, you also gonna learn high-level marketing skills, the skills that help me generated over $4 million online. And for Mac, I think he did over $20 million already. If you need support, they have a community, okay? Another amazing part is usually people charge you for their coaching, and they should, because nobody should do the work for free. So most coaches, they charge you. But inside the daily income method, you also have access to live weekly coaching without paying anything extra. So you can see here, their next coaching call is on May 11th. You can also access to previous coaching call. I heard that Mac will be charging for his coaching sessions soon, but because he just launched the system, this week, literally, he just launched it. So for people who get in right now, you don't need to pay for any coaching. So take advantage of this offer and make those $200 commissions, just like how I do it. That's exactly how you can make $200 commissions again and again without having your own product, without dealing with any technical setup, without showing your face. Literally, you have everything you will need. The training, the product, the system, the content, you can just simply download and post it. All right, I put the link down below. Click on it, check it out, and let's make those $200 commissions together. Let's go.